Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the difference between apple juice and apple cider. Let's get to it. Okay, so you probably have seen in the store, there's apple juice and there's apple cider, right? And there's no real easy way to tell the difference. Do you want to know why? There is no difference. They're actually the same for the most part. In fact, if you look at like popular brands like Martinelli's, they will even tell you on their website, they label the same juice, apple cider and apple juice, completely different packaging. They only do it for marketing purposes because some people prefer apple juice and some people prefer apple cider, but there's actual no difference in the product. Now, there's a little bit of a caveat to that. So some places do actually have rules, like some states have rules for what apple cider can be and what apple juice can be. So there is a good rule of thumb. When it comes to apple cider, it typically tends to be juice that's pressed from the apples, but then is not completely unfiltered or even pasteurized, right? So it's kind of the most raw form of apple juice that you can get. Apple juice itself tends to be pasteurized and filtered, so it's clean and crisp and lasts a lot longer. So that's kind of the main differences. There's a few states that do have laws that that's how that has to be produced. But overall, there's really no difference between the two. The one main difference here in the US is apple cider outside of the US is usually what we call hard cider. So that typically is alcoholic. Apple cider here is not always alcoholic. That's one of the main differences. But when it comes to the products themselves between apple juice and apple cider, they're kind of the same for the most part. If you like this tip, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to know about when it comes to food, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook, drink, or eat like I do, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. See you guys next time.